When should you actually drink your whey protein for maximum muscle growth? Right after your workout, first thing in the morning, or does timing even matter? Let's break it down using real science, so you can stop guessing and start growing. Here's the truth. Total daily protein intake matters far more than exact timing. Your body builds muscle through a process called muscle protein synthesis, and that's driven by how much protein you consume over the entire day, not just one shake. That said, timing can still optimize your results. The most effective window to consume whey protein is within about 1 to 2 hours after your workout. Why? Because your muscles are more sensitive to nutrients, making it easier to kickstart recovery and growth. For muscle growth, the evidence-based range is 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Here's how you calculate it. Take your body weight in kilograms and multiply by a number between 1.6 and 2.2. Example. If you weigh 90 kilos, 90 times 1.6, or 144 grams of protein, minimum. 90 times 2.2, or 198 grams of protein, optimal upper range. Aim somewhere in the middle for best results, especially if you're training hard. Instead of cramming all your protein into 1 or 2 meals, spread it evenly throughout the day. The sweet spot? 3 to 5 meals per day, each containing about 20 to 40 grams of high-quality protein. This keeps muscle protein synthesis elevated multiple times throughout the day, which is far more effective for building muscle than one large protein hit. A simple structure could be breakfast, lunch, post-workout, dinner, optional snack. Here's a pro tip. Take casein protein before bed. Casein digests slowly, releasing amino acids over several hours while you sleep. This helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports recovery overnight, when your body is actually doing most of its repair work. So remember, hit your daily protein target, spread it across the day, use whey around workouts, and consider casein before bed. Do that consistently, and your results will follow. Thanks for watching, and like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more science-based fitness tips. Catch you in the next video.